All right, welcome back. JS1 to JS3 students. This is your Igbo L2 for NECO exam. For NECO exam, Igbo L2 for your NECO exam. So we'll continue. I'm tired already, but we have to finish this thing. Ihe eserese 53. Ole aha eserese a? What is the name of this drawing that you are seeing there? That's what they asked there. Number 53. A. Ihe ihe oli. Okay. B. Jigida. C. Mgbanaka. D. Ọla ntị. E. Uri ọnụ. 53. 53. That number A supposed to be the answer, which is ihe olu. O-L-U. O-L-U. Ihe olu. That number 50. That is the answer. Ihe olu. If you look at it, you will know. That is necklace. Ihe olu means necklace. Number 54. Olee ihe Ikechi na-eme? What is he doing? This boy that you are seeing there, that is Ikechi. What is he doing? A. Agba ọsọ. B. Arahụ ụra. C. Ede akwa. D. Ede akwụkwọ. E. Eri nri. The answer is A, which is agba ọsọ. He is running. He is running. Number 55. Gịnị ka a na-akpọ eserese a? This drawing you are seeing there, what is it being called? May seeing it, you know now, no need of telling you. But I will say A. Akịdị. B. Akpụ. C. Ede. D. Ọka. E. Ose. The answer is D, which is what? Ọka. Sorry. Let's continue. Number 56. Kedu aha eserese a? That 56. What is the name of that drawing? A. Igwe. B. Ọgbatumtum. C. Ụgbọala. D. Ụgbọelu. E. Ụgbọ mmiri. The answer is what? Igwe. This is bicycle. Igwe. Thank you very much. Okay. Number 57. Ole aha eserese a? That thing you are seeing there. What is the name? Which is number 57. Okay. A is agụ. B is atụrụ. C is ịnyịnya. Ịnyịnya is horse. D is mbe. Mbe is tortoise. E is mgbada. And the answer to that number 57 is agụ, which is lion. Lion. Number 58. Gịnị ka eze na-eme? What is eze doing? A. Akọ nri. B. Asụ nri. C. Ere nri. D. Eri nri. E. Esi nri. The answer is D, which is eri nri. Alright. Okay, let's look at number 59, which is mkpụrụ akịdị ole dị na eserese a? How many beans? Akịdị means beans. How many beans is in this drawing? A. Otu. B. Abụọ. C. Atọ. E. Ise. The answer is E, which is ise. 5. Okay. The last for 2015 NECO Igbo L2 exam is Gịnị na-akụ ebe a? What is the time? May looking at it, you will know. But let's read it. A. Elekere 11 kpọmkwem. B. Elekere iri na abụọ kpọmkwem. C. Njirila nkeji ise gafee elekere iri na otu okay. D. O jirila nkeji iri gafee elekere ise. E. Ọ fọrọ nkeji ise ka ọ kụọ elekere iri na abụọ. A is elekere iri na otu. The answer is A, which is elekere iri na otu kpọmkwem. I ran the race today, and that race no be small thing. It's not a small matter. Clap for me, clap for me. It's not easy. Clap for me, clap for me, clap for me, clap for me. Thank you very much. I've been dealing with this. I've done it. So please remember, this is your Igbo L2. Please, as long as I'm here, pursue knowledge. Knowledge is life. Me, I know so many things. Apart from teaching you, can do other things. So I have so many skills. So when you acquire knowledge, hunger will not kill you. You continue making money and progressing in life. Continue living a good life. As me, I live my own good life. So pursue knowledge. Not able to be great in life, pursue knowledge. All forms of knowledge, because you don't know the one that will help you one day. Thank you very much. See you next time. Please subscribe to our channel now. Please do that, and hit to that icon button there. So anytime I will release video, you see it with your eye. Tell your friends to come and like our videos. We have other videos that we have made, not only Igbo, other subjects, even in primary school, other subjects they did there. If you need a lesson, a special class for mathematics, English, or science related subjects, or common entrance preparation, just contact us. We do it online. We use Zoom. You don't need to come to your house, but you want us to come to your house, we will come. But we don't need. You just use phone, Zoom and Cisco WebEx and teach you online. Yes, you are seeing me, I will see you. We do it. So call this number 07088 742 960 or 081 33 57 7465. Thank you very much. See you next time. What is this now?